The video is starting in about 20 seconds, so make sure to watch until the very end to discover how sesame seeds may be able to help with arthritis, and watching until the end of this short video helps support our channel. Before we get into the video, make sure you subscribe, turn on notifications, and comment down below saying I subscribed, and we'll make sure to respond. Number 1. Sesame seeds are considered to be amazing for bone health. They are high in many nutrients including magnesium, manganese, phosphorus, and zinc. The main one is calcium, which helps to boost bone health. Magnesium and phosphorus also help to excel bone health in conjunction with calcium. Lastly, low levels of zinc have been related to the disease known as osteoporosis, which is a disease where your bones become weak and brittle. The zinc found in sesame seeds can help to prevent this. Number 2. A majority of illnesses in the body start with inflammation. When the body has too much of this, it can lead to an array of health issues from mental illnesses and even cancer. Sesame seeds and sesame seed oil have been shown to have anti-inflammatory effects. This mainly works to boost the production of nitric oxide in the body. Nitric oxide promotes good blood vessel health and calms any inflammation in the body. Number 3. Who would have ever thought that sesame seeds could be great for your skin? This starts with its anti-inflammatory properties, which we just learned. Since it's anti-inflammatory, it reduces redness, sores, and other skin issues. Some people will even use sesame seed oil as a topical base on their skin to treat wounds, aging, and other skin problems. Number 4. These tiny seeds are also low in carbohydrates, but high in protein and healthy fats. All of these are great for diabetics because they control blood sugar levels. A unique factor pertaining to sesame seeds is that they contain a compound called pinoresinol. Pinoresinol helps to control blood sugar levels by stopping the actions of maltase. Maltase breaks down the sugar known as maltose, which is a commonly used sweetener and is found in your gut produced from starchy carbs. Once the pinoresinol stops the maltase, this may result in lower blood sugar levels. Number 5. To conclude, if you or someone you know suffer from arthritis, listen up. Arthritis may be caused by inflammation and oxidative stress because this damages your cartilage in your joints. Now, we've discovered that sesame seeds are anti-inflammatory, which will help aid in this. Specifically, the compound found in sesame seeds called sesamin has the anti-inflammatory effects of protecting the cartilage. This will reduce joint pain and help with overall mobility. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and comment down below your favorite part, and we'll make sure to respond. Make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos of healthy eating tips, nutrition facts, and much more.